Let me start with this. I'm not going anywhere out to write given the situation we are in. I haven't done that in over a year at least, but I miss it. And while I am reminiscing about it, let me show you what I usually used to have in my bag when I would go out to write. This is my bag from years ago when I was working at a corporate job in Mumbai. This bag has been with me through the Mumbai rains, walking long distances to find an auto rickshaw, bumpy rides through RA Colony. Also, it traveled with me when I would go out exploring the city of San Francisco and the cafes for writer meetups. I don't know when I'll get to do those things again. I also used this when I did not have a designated place to work from home. I would write at the dining table and I'd keep everything here, and at the end of the workday I would pack everything back in here. Anyway, here's what I have in here. Headphones. I don't listen to music while writing, and if I do, it's mostly instrumental music, and that's also very rare. These are noise reduction headphones. I use this to block out noise if I was writing at a cafe with a lot of people and I wanted some quiet to focus. Also, a lot of time I would just have them on even if I was not listening to anything, just to deter people from talking to me, because sometimes people think it's okay to talk to you because you are a woman sitting alone, which, if you didn't already know, is not a polite thing to do, especially to a writer. My wallet, sunglasses, a light jacket, feminine products, lip balm, hair ties, gum, hand sanitizers. Before it became a thing, I would travel by local trains and hand sanitizers really helped. Hand cream, wipes, some medicines like for headache and stuff. My notebook, pen case, laptop and charger. I have this little thing because when I quit my job and had to return my office laptop, which was so bulky and heavy, I wanted something that was lightweight. That was all that I wanted from my laptop. It had to be lightweight. And I used this for 5 years before upgrading because editing videos on this was getting harder. There was never enough space and the editing software would slow things down. I didn't know what a difference it would make to have a big screen while editing videos. But I still have this little thing for days when I want to work on the sofa or something, but I don't want to lug my big laptop with me. My water bottle, my umbrella during monsoon. I would also carry a book if I was reading something at the time. Mostly it would be an audiobook, but occasionally I would have a physical copy of a book. I'm curious to see what other writers have in their bags, and I love these kinds of videos. I'd love to know if you have a specific bag for your writerly things and see what you have in your writing bag. Let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one.